So this is our Swiffer WetJet. You can see here we just changed the jug of juice here. We got the Swiffer WetJet antibacterial stuff on there now. I think that's what was on there before, but anyway, that's what we got there. And then we're going to put a new pad on the bottom there.
Looking over there. And the nice thing about this is it's got the little Velcro sticky things here, so you can
line them up and put them on.
And so it stays on there while you're swiffing away.
Yep. Okay, let's see you swiff. And here's the Swiffer WetJet in action. You just push the little button and it shoots some little juice out the front there, and then you just clean up the floor. And then that little mat on the bottom just absorbs up all the moisture and the juice.
It turns so that it...
Yep, it turns, makes different angles if you need to. And yeah, good stuff. We use it almost every single day.